In this video, I'll take a look at building a symbolic expression in Python using the SymPy module and using two ways of printing the expression. We can see that the first program statement imports the SymPy module, giving it the alias SP. The second program statement creates two SymPy symbols X and Y. These are the two symbols created, X and Y, and that was achieved by assigning what this creates, and you can see we're invoking this, which belongs to the SymPy module. And you can see in the brackets that we have X and Y in quotes separated by a space. This program statement creates a SymPy symbolic expression using the two symbols X and Y. And you can see the expression is assigned this, which is X plus 2 times Y. This program statement prints the symbolic expression created on the previous line. The runtime for this program you can see is coming to view here. And it is clear that the runtime reflects this that appeared in this program statement. This output from the program is very program-like. In this sense, you can see it typically uses this symbol, which is the symbol for multiplication in computer programming languages like Python. Now, it is possible to make the output look more like what you would expect to see in mathematics if you were to write out expressions on a piece of paper using a pen or a pencil. The next slide will show a different way to print out the expression. So let me remind you of this print here, and we can compare that to the print that will appear on the next slide, which we will move on to now. This program statement is the only change I've made to the previous program we were looking at, and I've changed the way in which we're going to print the expression. The first thing we need to note is we're using the SymPy module. You can see we have dot notation, which is going to invoke this, and the spelling isn't incorrect. It is PP, which stands for pretty print, and we're going to pretty print this expression, which is the one created on this line. So we can see that this program statement uses the SymPy pretty print to print out the expression. And we were able to use pretty print because here you can see we imported SymPy as SP. So the pretty print is defined in the SymPy module. The runtime for this computer program is coming into view now. If you look at the output from the runtime, you can see it's more mathematics-like, because here you can see it's used a dot to represent multiplication, whereas in the program code you can see that it was this symbol to represent multiplication. So this is more maths-like. Moving on to the next slide, we can look at the first computer program and its runtime. And if we compare this program and the runtime with the second one we looked at, here is the program and here is the runtime, you can see there is a clear difference in the way in which the outputs are displayed. In this one, you can see the program-like symbol is used, where here we use the more mathematics-like symbol.